I'm going to take it to the next level. Just play you a clip what I just made.
AP, all power, solar charger, a trickle charge.
So what we are going to do here is open up picture-in-picture. We already showed you how to do that. And I just want to add one more. I want to add another arrow. And I made it this big. And I don't have any words, and I'm pretty happy with the way it looks, but I made a mistake. I don't think I want to add a keyframe in. So I click OK. I give it title. So we bring this into the 5th line, and there's my mistake. If my 5th line is highlighted, and I'm able to correct my arrow, bring it in. If I want to start to add keyframes to this, well, let's see what we can do. Go into our video, tools. No way we could put keyframes to that arrow. We can click it. Nothing we can do. The only thing we can do is keyframe the clip I'm on. But we can open it back up, and then we can start to go into keyframe by simply opening up Designer. Designer will get you back into that, and then you can add your keyframe. And just say we want to move it position like so. Done. So we'll play our video, show you what we got here.
AP, all power, solar charger, a trickle charger for your.
And that's what you can do with Shapeshifter. Many possibilities. Maybe in the near future we'll able to put 2 shapeshifters on that one program. But say if I don't want one of these, simply right click, delete it from the library, and it's gone. You no longer have to go in and start to figure out how to delete things. So on that note, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.